In the Central Valley, here's NBC's Guad Venegas.
It has been a very difficult last few weeks for this community here in Central California in Teviston. 700 residents that were left without water for almost a week. They have a well, which you can see behind me, which is the only source of water for the entire community. That well failed last month. And for a few days, they had no other source of water. So the residents had to figure out ways to get water. Some of them would drive to friends' houses in nearby towns and bring it back in containers. Now, the state has intervened along with the county, and they came up with an emergency solution, which is temporary. They're driving tankers from different towns more than 20 miles away. These tankers are coming 7 times per day, delivering thousands of gallons of water to fill up the tanks. And we also went out to the community to talk to some of the residents here to see what it was like to have no water.
You were all accustomed to going up to the sink and brushing our teeth in the morning, taking a shower. None of that's available when you don't have water. You can't wash your clothes. You can't bathe the kids, you know. And so it's a hardship. It's frustrating and depressing.
Now, the failed well here in Teviston is only one of many that have failed in this area of the Central Valley. We spoke with the workers that are there, and they're telling us that as we experience a drought in California, they're getting more and more requests to go out and repair failed wells. We know that 85% of the state of California is under extreme drought conditions. This means that the water reservoirs are running low. We have less water in the canals, and then, of course, we have less water underground. So this is a big problem affecting the entire state. And I think Teviston is just a clear example showing what can happen to the actual residents when the water is shut off.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.